Here's how to have unlimited Raising Cane sauce. The next time you're craving this sauce and you don't want to sit in the line at the drive-thru, here's how you can make as much as you want. This sauce is so addictive, it's got people waiting in the drive-thru line for it. I'm going to teach you how to make it so that you won't have to make a special trip. To make this sauce, you'll need just 6 ingredients. You'll need some extra heavy mayonnaise, you'll need some Worcestershire sauce, you'll need some ketchup, lemon pepper, you'll need garlic powder, and some salt. Let's start with our mayonnaise. You need a half a cup of extra heavy mayonnaise, and you want extra heavy mayonnaise because when you put the other liquid ingredients in, it will thin it out. Then we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Then we want to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. You want a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You want to mix this all well. If you don't have lemon pepper, you'll want to add in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and just 2 drops of vinegar so that you have that little bit of tang in your sauce. If you get lumps in your sauce, use a whisk just to combine everything a little bit better. There we go. The texture of this is perfect for dipping whatever you want to dip into. And now I can't wait to dig in. Let's get this ready for our chicken fingers and fries. It's got the perfect amount of sweet, a little bit of sour, and the creaminess of the mayonnaise really pulls it all together. It's got a nice hint of salt. You can use this sauce to baste grilled meats or marinate grilled meats. You can also use it to marinate your meats before you roast them in the oven. And you can even use it as a salad dressing. This sauce will keep about 2 weeks in the refrigerator, but you'll finish it way before that comes up.